It's definitely a hot day in Philadelphia. I wonder what it's like in your city. Well, we're going to go to the telephone lines and we're going to find out because we're going all the way down over there to Dallas, Texas. Hello, tell us your name and where you're calling from.
Hey, how you doing? I'm Delon Taiski.
Okay, and you calling from, I understand you're in Dallas, Texas?
Yes, sir, I am.
Tell me, is it hot there or what?
No, I think the weather in Philadelphia is nicer than it is out here. It's actually pretty raining out here in Dallas.
Wow, it's raining right now?
Yeah.
Well, we definitely want you to have a dry day because the sun is shining here, man, and it's supposed to get up to the upper 90s. Don't you want to be in Philadelphia?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Listen, man, we appreciate you calling in. Are you one of my new Facebook friends?
Yes, sir, I am.
Tell everybody a little bit about yourself. I like that name. Say that name one more time.
It's Delon Taiski.
Wow. That sounds just as good as my name, Simone Malone. Delon, what a handsome name. I like that name, Delon. Tell everybody a little bit about yourself, man, and thank you for calling in from Dallas. Go ahead.
Well, as I stated, my name is Delon Taiski. My stage name is Mr. Taiski. I am a gospel inspirational singer here in Dallas, Texas.
Okay, and tell us a little bit about your singing. You're an inspirational singer. Tell us a little bit about it. Go ahead. You're on the air and say hello to everybody because they can actually see me, but they hear your voice live on the video. Go ahead.
All right. Well, hello, Philadelphia. How you guys doing? Mr. Taiski. I have a single out by the name of Praise Him High. And as I stated, I am an inspirational singer. So right now, I'm trying to get that single going right now, and I thank God for the opportunity.
Absolutely, and I believe you sent that single to me, and we might just get it on the radio for you one day, man. When you say, Delon, that you're an inspirational singer, identify that because different people go into different genres of music. You're an inspirational singer. What does that mean to the listening audience? Go ahead.
Well, there's a difference. I do believe I didn't want to consider myself, as a contemporary singer or just a straight up gospel singer. I'm an inspirational singer, and what I mean by that is that there's a difference because I have to live what I sing about. I have to live what I preach about. If you see me on the street, you will know, okay, this guy is real. I'm an inspirational singer.
Mm-hmm. That's great, man. That's really good. So go ahead and give people your Facebook information, how they can reach you, and they can download that single or get that single from you because I'm sure to be a blessing to them. Go ahead.
Well, I'm actually on Amazon.com. My name is Mr. Taiski, MrTyeskie. You can also visit me on YouTube. Facebook, I do have a fan page. That's Mr. Taiski as well, Tyeskie.
Sounds good. And what's your word of encouragement that you can share to the listening audience today from Dallas? Go ahead.
Just keep going. Don't give up, no matter what the situation is, no matter what storm comes your way. Just keep going because God is able.
That's a great word. And tell everybody what you think of our radio station now that you're my new friend, and encourage those people out there in Dallas that do tune in, some of those folks, to be right here at FM HTMS. So give us your comments and feedback on our radio station while you're listening in. Go ahead.
I am going to have to get Dallas on this. I definitely enjoying the radio station. I love the music. So I'm definitely going to get Dallas, my family members, on this radio station. We're going to be helping you guys from Dallas.
I really appreciate that, man. And when I come to Dallas, I'm going to connect with you. And we thank you so much for your telephone call, for your inspirational singing. Once again, tell everybody that great name and how they can find out more about your inspirational singing. Go ahead.
It's Mr. Taiski, and you can visit me once again on Facebook, YouTube. Type in Mr. Taiski. I'm all over the place.
That's great. And somebody slipped me a note and told me that you're a hairstylist as well.
Yes, I am a barber. I've been a barber for the last 13 years, so I travel on the weekend when I have my concerts and stuff.
Okay, so when I come to Dallas or you come to Philly, you're going to cut the Feel Good Man's hair?
Oh, yeah. I've been looking at your pictures. You like you were about a 1.5.
You're really good, man. Thank you for your telephone call. And before you go, because this is a moment with you, before you go ahead and say hello to some people because I know you're quite loved there in Dallas. Go ahead and say hello.
Well, I don't know if they're listening, but I would like to say hello to my mom, my pastor, Pastor Robert C. Beecham in Dallas, Texas, Greater New Vision Christian Center. My wife, Sister Tamar Taiski, and that's about it.
Wonderful. We want to make sure you give those shout-outs because they might say, well, you on the radio, you didn't announce my name. So anyhow, we thank you for your telephone call and keep on listening, man, and we appreciate you so much. You'll be able to see the live video a little bit later on your page, okay?
All right, thank you.
Have a great day. Stay comfortable and get dry now to come on up to the sunny state of Philadelphia.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.